Good morning students. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with competitive exam TGT, PGT and 12th class CBSE, ICSE and UP boards. I taught in previous video how to solve the partial differential equations, how to find the CF of the partial differential equation and first type of the PI of the partial differential equation. We discussed my previous video first type of particular integral, how to find the partial differential equations. And I taught in previous video some important questions depend upon the first type of the PI partial differential equation, and some important question we are going to do in this class depend upon first method, and we discuss in this method second types. So if you new viewer my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, share, likes and your friends. Let me start in this video. First we discuss the first type of the partial differential equation, taking a examples how to find the PI of the partial differential equation of first types. We take the example question number first. Solve the partial differential equation 4 del 2 over del x. Question number first 4 del 2z over del x2 minus का 4 del 2z over del x del y plus del 2z over del y2 equal to e to the power x plus 2y. First we write, solve this partial differential equation. First we write the partial differential equation in operator form. In operator form it means 4 d square minus का 4 d and d dash plus d dash square in z equal to e to the power x plus of 2y. After then you write the auxiliary equation of this partial differential equation. We put d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Then auxiliary equation 4m square minus का 4m plus of 1 equal to 0. After that, this is the quadratic equations. We factorize of these equations. So 2m minus 1 to the whole square equal to 0. 2m minus 1 and 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Then value of m equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. These values are real and equal. Then we write the complementary function of this partial differential equations. Then CF equal to f1 y plus 1 by 2 of x plus f2 1 by 2 of x. But we are multiply of the second term x because the roots are same. Roots are same, then with the multiply of x and second term, the right of this equation y plus 1 by 2 of x. This is the CF of this partial differential equation. After then you find the PI of this partial differential equation, then PI e to the power x plus 2y upon 4d square minus 4d and d dash plus d dash square. We are putting the value of coefficient of x in place of d and coefficient of y in place of ds. We are discussing the previous video how to find the PI, first type PI of the partial differential equation. So please I request you, if you not see my the previous video, so please see my previous video. After that you understand of this video better. So we putting the coefficient of x in place of d and coefficient of y in place of d dash. E to the power x plus 2y or divide by 4 coefficient of x is 1, that is 1 square, and minus 4, 1 into coefficient of y is 2 in place of d dash, plus 2 of square. We sort out x plus 2y upon 4 minus 4 to the 8 of plus of 4. E to the power x plus 2y, 4 minus 4 plus 4. It means value of this 4 plus minus and this, so e to the power x plus 2y upon 0. So rules is failed. I discussed in previous video, if the denominator of pi should not equal to 0, denominator of pi should not equal to 0, then we say that the given value of the pi is the answer. But if the denominator will be 0, then rules will fail, because the denominator will be 0, the divide of 0 any number, value is infinite. This value is non-defined form. After then you take first this multiply of numerator by x and differentiate of this function with respect to d. Multiply of x, x, e to the power x plus 2y divide by differentiate of this function with respect to d, so 8d minus 4d and d dash. Differentiation of d dash will be 0 because we are differentiate this function with respect to d, so d dash is treating as a constant. After then same procedure, putting the value of this x e to the power x plus 2y, after then 8 into 1 minus 4 into 2, this is again x plus 2y will be 0. So again rules will fail, we are discussed, and after then is this part. Again multiply by the numerator of x and differentiating of this with respect to d. So please make a note. Again differentiating with respect to d, multiply of this x square e to the power x plus 2y upon only 8. Eliminate of d in denominator, so this is the pi of the partial differential equation, then z equal to cf plus of pi f1 y plus 1 by 2 of x plus multiply of x f2 y plus 1 by 2 of x and plus x square e to the power x plus 2y or divide by of 8. This is the complete answer of this partial differential equation. So you are understand the easily how to solve the partial differential equation first types of pi. Please make a note. Next question, del to z, and question number B, del to z over del x2 minus 5 del to z over del x2 minus 5 del 2z del x del y plus 6 del 2z over del y2 equal to exp or 3x minus of 2y. Same procedure of this partial differential equation, we write the partial differential equation in the form of operator, then d square 5d and d dash plus 6 d dash square in z. You see the exp 3x minus y, it means this form is exponential. We write that this form e to the power 3x minus of 2y. If you see anywhere exp, we write this form e to the power of this value. It means exp means e to the power value of this. Then d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Auxiliary equation m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. After then factorize of this equation, m square minus 2m minus का 3m plus 6 equal to 0. m minus 2 minus 3 and m minus 2 equal to 0. m equal to 2 and 3. We write the CF of this equation. CF equal to real and different f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y plus of 3x. After then pi, same procedure. Pi equal to e to the power 3x minus 2y upon value of operator form d square minus 5d and d dash plus 6d dash square. Putting the value of x coefficient in place of d and y coefficient in place of d dash. E to the power 3x minus 2y, value of this is the 9 minus 5 into 3 into minus 2 plus 6 or minus 2 square, it means 4. Value of this e to the power 3x minus 2y, 9, value of this plus 5 3 are 15 and 30 or plus 24. So e to the power 3x minus 2y, value of 39 24, it means 63. This is not denominator 0, so this is the answer of the partial differential equation pi. Then complete solution z equal to cf plus pi. It means cf is the f1 y plus 2x plus f2 y plus 3x and 1y 63 e to the power 3x minus of 2y. This is the very simple of the questions. So this is the type of the first pi. How to find the partial differential equation, first type of the pi, e to the power ax plus by. So these example represent of this method. You are understand all very simple questions, but very important for your exams. So please make a note. We have discussed the second type of the pi. You see, second type, pi the type of second. The partial differential equation RHS in the form of sin ax or cos ax plus by. If the partial differential equation RHS form in the form of sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by, only this formula followed by the sin and cos, not other trigonometric ratio. For example, tan x, sec x, cos x and cot x. Only this formula represent the sin and cos. If sin ax plus by, then form of the operator f d square d and d dash squares. So we write the x coefficient of a in place of d. After that you are taking minus signs. So you see in this form a coefficient of x is a, putting in place of d, it means a square. After then you taking the minus sign, and d and d dash. D is the coefficient of x and d dash is the coefficient of y. It means AB. We are first product of AB, after then you taking the minus sign. Then A into B, after then you taking the minus sign. Similar process for the d dash square. It means B square. Coefficient of y is B square, after then you taking the minus signs. So we are discuss some examples depend upon this methods. Then question number third. Question number third. Del 2z over del x2 minus del 2z over del x del y plus del 2z over del y2 equal to sine of x. First we write the CF is the similar process of the previous questions. Operator for d square minus 2d and d dash of plus of d dash square in z equal to sine of x, and d equal to m, and auxiliary equation m square minus का 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This is the whole square of m minus 1 equal to 0. It means m equal to 1 and 1. Again we are find the value of m 1 and 1. This is the repeated form. Then CF equal to f1 y plus m1x. It means x into multiply by of x, f y plus of x. After then we find the pi sin x over in operator form d square minus 2d and d dash plus d dash square. You are seeing the process of the sin ax plus by. Only here you see that only value of x. We write the value of this 0 into pi. We write the value of this x plus 0 into y. It means you are multiply by y, that is a 0. So x plus 0, that is the x. Write the form of this in form of this. You see that coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient y is 0. You write the place of this sin x plus 0y divided by of this coefficient of 1 square of 1. After then you taking the minus sign. Minus 2, but d dash value is 0, 0 plus of 0. It means sine of x divided by minus 1 minus of sine of x. This is the pi of this partial differential equation. Then complete solution CF plus pi. Then CF equal to f1 y plus x f2 y plus of x minus sine of x. Understand this question, all the students. If you any problem understanding the method question, your comment box comment any problems. I will discuss your problem shortly. So please make a note. We have discussed the next question in type of this. So question number 4. It means question number 4 is value d square plus d dash square plus z, d square and d dash square, z equal to cos mx or cos of nx. We already write in operator form. We are discuss the auxiliary equations d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Then auxiliary equations m square plus 1 equal to 0, m square equal to minus 1, m square equal to I square, m equal to plus minus of I. We are not separation of imaginary or real in this partial differential equation. Only we are separate the normal differential equation के रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी और रियल. सो CF F1 y plus ix or plus F2 y minus of ix. Value of m is plus I and minus I we write in place of m1x and m2x. This is the CF of this partial differential equation. After then pi cos of mx or cos of nx divided by d square and d dash square. Here you are seeing that cos mx plus cos nx product of two functions. So we are not any method as this types. So we are separate cos mx plus cos this multiply by 2 and divide by 2. We write the 2 cos a cos b formula. Then 2 cos a cos b formula is cos a plus b. It means mx plus ny or plus cos a minus b mx minus ny in this form, or value of this d square plus d dash square and value of this d square and d dash square. You are separate. It means a coefficient of m in place of d and coefficient of n in place of d dash. 1 by 2 value of cos mx plus ny. Value of coefficient of x is m, then m square after taking minus sign, m square plus फिर n square after taking minus sign. Similar process cos mx minus ny, then m square in minus plus minus n square after taking minus sign. So value of this 1 by 2 cos mx plus ny upon minus m square minus of n square plus cos mx minus ny upon minus m square minus of n square. The value of this taking common the minus sign. So 1 by 2 cos mx plus ny or plus cos mx minus ny or value of this m square plus of n square. Simple process. This is the pi of this partial differential equation. We write the complete solution of this. Complete solution of this z equal to cf plus pi. There cf f1 y plus ix plus c2 f2 y minus of ix and minus 1 by 2 cos mx plus ny or plus cos mx minus ny or divided by m square plus of n square. This is the complete answer of this partial differential equation. You are seeing that first we write the operator for this is the always operator for. We write the auxiliary equation d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Then m square of this value of m and plus in form of I plus I and minus I. We write the CF of this. After then pi of this cos mx plus cos ni. But here two function are product. We apply the formula 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b cos a plus b and cos a minus b. After then we apply the rule of this sin ax plus by. Understand? Please make a note. We are discuss next question. dq minus 7d and d dash square minus 6d dash q and z equal to sin x plus 2y and e to the power 3x plus of y. Here sign of this both method apply first and seconds. Operator form is already given, then d equal to m and d dash equal to 1, then auxiliary equation m cube minus 7m minus 6 equal to 0. This is the cubic equation. We are not factorized in this method by quadratic force. This solution by hit and trial method other than Remender's theorem. We are putting the value of m plus 1 minus 1 and seeing that this value will be 0. So we say that the given value is the root of this equations. Putting m equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus of 7 minus 6, that value is 0. So m equal to minus v with the root of this equation. With the root of this equation. So m plus 1 divide of this m cube minus 7m minus of 6. We divide this the form of this m cube and m multiply by m square, then m cube or plus of m square. Change the sign of this value, minus minus, this is cancel out, m square minus of m square minus 7m. We are equal the form of this minus of m, then multiply of this minus m square minus the m, and again change the sign, plus and plus cancel out, minus the 6m minus of 6, minus of 6 minus 6m minus 6, plus and plus cancel out. So m plus 1 and m square minus the m minus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic form. You are factorized of this form. M plus 1 m square minus the 3m plus 2m minus of 6 equal to 0. Then m plus 1 equal to m minus 3 or m minus 2 equal to 0. Then value of m equal to minus 1, minus 2 and 3. Then CF equal to f1 y minus x plus f2 y minus 2x plus f3 y plus of 3x. Only we are problem of this equation solution. So we apply the remainder theorem method. Understands? Then we get the value of m minus 1, minus 2 and 3. After then pi it means sign of, we are taking value of this first and value of this second. Only taking the first. Sin x plus 2y. Sin x plus 2y, it means dq minus 7d and d dash square or minus 6d dash cube. We are discuss the formula, a method of this form, only putting the value of x in place of d square, here dq. We are not putting the value of coefficient x in place of dq. We are making the denominator in the standard form. It means sin x plus 2y dq. We are write the dq d and d square. D and d square. We are putting the value in place of d square. And similar process of this minus 7 d dash. Value of this d and d dash and 6 d dash and d dash square. We are putting the value of x coefficient and y coefficient in this form, only d square, dd dash and d dash square. So sin x plus 2y, value of this d, value of x coefficient 1 square minus 7 and d dash, after 1 into 2, after then minus 6 d dash or 2 square and minus. Sort out this problem. Sin x plus 2y, value of this minus ka d and this minus and this plus, 2 4 ja 2 7 ja 14 d dash and 4 minus minus plus 24 of d dash. Sort out sin x plus 2y upon minus का d 24 and 14 38 of d dash. We are remaining the value of d and d dash. We are not again putting the value of x and y coefficient d and d dash. We making the form of d is d square and d dash square or d and d dash. Multiply the numerator and denominator d and d. It means sin